welcome back and happy new year 2023. So what just happened is I washed my car after coming back from Cox's Bazar. It was all muddy and dirty and actually bird poop all over my car, and they got really hard because they were dry. They dried to become really hard, and I had to, like, you know, go through a long process of removing those bird poop. Actually it was like, you know, if you remove it without soaking it first or polishing it, it will scratch your entire car, the paint of your car. So we had to be very careful with that. And yeah, now the car looks amazing, clean, spotless and beautiful. Let's do something. Let's see the car first. I'll show you the car, how good it looks. Okay, I'm parking a little bit for now over here and see the car. Here we go. And this is how it is looking like right now. All clean. Not a single speck of dust. Looks good, right? Shiny, brand new. Even all this is clean. They did a good job with it. The interior is also looking pretty nice. So this is how it is. It's a good job. And then I got some fuel for my car. Went to get some petrol and octane, and got some of it here. Ask me why I have about a liter of fuel here. The reason is I'm going to save the day for someone. So my friend ride his motorbike and he ran out of fuel. He had to push his bike all the way back to his garage. Can I can go a little bit more. Yes, back to his garage, pushed it all the way in the very cold weather, and now he can't take it out anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in. This is octane and it's red. Petrol is blue, and try to start the bike. Take it to the pump and fill it in. So this is what we're gonna do right now. Let's ride together. Okay, I'll be coming back very soon. Don't worry, my friend, I'll be there. After that, we're gonna take the bike out and go somewhere nice. We're gonna go along the riverside and enjoy the sunset today. This is the plan so far. Let's go. A very nice bike. The temperature is really down these days. It's somewhere between 14 to 22 in Dhaka city. It's very cold. We're not used to it. We're usually used to 45, Not 45 actually, 39, 32, 42. That's the max that we have here, but sometimes it's like it goes down really down. Today they're saying that it should go down below 14. Coming from this is the beautiful thing about Bangladesh, that you have every 3 months the weather changes. You have different weather every 3 months. It's raining for 3 straight months, and then another 3 months we have extreme hot heat. Can't do anything about it. You sweat a lot, and just after that it rains again for a little bit more, and very quickly it is winter, and the temperature goes down really fast. Yeah, wait a second, it's very hard to talk and drive in this sort of situation, bumper to bumper traffic. I get lost what to say. And Allah forbids, if anything happens, it's gonna be a crash and I'm gonna wreck my car, which I don't want, God forbid. So this is a tricky thing. Talking on camera gets complete attention of yours, and then driving in a very precarious condition in Dhaka city, because Dhaka city traffic is notorious. We don't follow rules, but we have some rules, which is every man for himself. So what you have to do is watch out and try not to get bumped in any way. Okay, so I'm almost there where I'm supposed to be. My friend is waiting for me. We're gonna put the fuel in his bike, and I'll show you where we are going right now actually. That will not be a POV, but I'll try to capture as much as possible and actually put it all together in this vlog. I'm gonna go left from here, park my car in a shopping mall safely, stow it away, and then we're gonna take his bike out. The very cold weather. It's gonna be fun. Oh, about the light on the dashboard, the check engine light. I think I said a lot about it in another video, because I'm running a concentrated natural gas system that bypasses all the combustion system that originally comes with the car, and we replaced it with a natural gas system which has its own ECU, which has its own mixture, air-fuel mixture and everything. So the original controller of this car, the electronic controller ECU, does not recognize that type of fuel, what's going on, how it is being burnt. So the engine light comes up, which doesn't affect your car, because the parallel system is quite flawless, and I've installed it for a long time. It has been almost 10 years and it's running perfectly. If you take care of your car, maintain it properly, which I do. I change my engine oil every 1500 to 1700 kilometers. I use mineral oil. The reason why I change it so frequently, since I put in mineral oil, which is cheap, and the second thing is the engine oil filters are not that good. Even though they're saying that it will last up to 4,000 5,000 kilometers, I don't believe. They are saying no parking. Okay, I need to park the car, bro. There's no place. We're coming back. So what happened is, it's all packed today, and they had to make space for me because I'm a self-driven car. All the way to the back. So yeah, we're gonna take this and save the bike. So this is the bike, and we're gonna put this in it, take it all the way to the pump and see what we can do.